Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find archived emails in Gmail. To start, open up your Gmail account. First, let's archive some selected mails. To do that, select the emails you want to archive. Now, click on the archive icon in the toolbar above, and the mail will be removed from your inbox. Now to find those archived mails, you click on the More option at the left hand side of the screen. Select All Mail. And here you can find all your mails, including your archived mails. To identify the archived mails, they don't have any labels like inbox. So the ones without the inbox labels are the archived mails. Another way to find your archived mails is to click on the search bar at the top of the screen and search or type in the word in archive. Then you press enter. Now it has opened up all your archive mails. So that's it guys, easy and straightforward. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. See you soon guys. Bye.